Hello guys. In this video, we're going to talk about how to completely reset your PC and how to completely delete everything which exists in your PC. It's such gonna be a really short video. It is very interesting and very easy steps to follow. What you need to do, you need to go and find the settings from the start menu, or if you find it hard, you can simply start search in the start menu. What you need to do here, you need to find system and you need to scroll down. It can be both for Windows 11 and Windows 10. Here, what you need to do, you need to find the recovery. When you press the recovery option here, you can see reset this PC. And when you click on it, you can see you have two options: keep my files and remove everything. What you need to do, you need to remove everything. Then press on it, and then you have two options there. Then you have two options there: cloud download or local reinstall. I need to have it as local and reinstall. So yes, I press on that generally, and it will make your PC fresh as new, and it will be like factory reset what is done with your phone. Okay, bye. Have a good day and peace out.